What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Ryan's Aviation. Like I said in the last video, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That American was just absolutely beautiful. But today we got the United A321neo. This is the new Coastliner. It's another pre-order that just came in, and I'm pretty excited for this one as well. I love the United colors. Can't go wrong with blue, and the little Coastliner logo is just a chef's kiss. It's just so nice. So yeah, super excited. Usual Gemini test box and packaging. Coastliner. It's a 2026 release, obviously. There we go. So let's get this open. And there's the plane and the specs. A321, 1 to 400 scale. This is my first United A321, so this is pretty exciting. Oh my lord. Wow. Look at that. That is freaking awesome. Oh my god. Wow. This looks crazy. I don't know. I get so excited for a model airplane. It's just, oh my god. Only the real ones will understand. This looks insane. Oh, it's getting blurry again. I hate when it does that. There we go. Beautiful shot of the Coastliner. Gorgeous model here, guys. I mean, just the detail is just crazy. Look at the engines. Got the Star Alliance logo. Obviously, this is the Neo. The Coastliner, November 94750. Awesome. United Globe. I already showed you guys the belly, but this looks amazing. Look at the detail there, guys. And the United logo on the bottom is just so sick. So you could see when it was, if it was flying overhead, you would see that. That's so awesome. And that kind of wraps around the whole fuselage. See the cargo doors there. And yeah, let's see the other side. Wow. Just a stunning airplane. Well, I'm so happy to pick this up. This is a really nice airplane, guys. If you're thinking about getting it, I would. If you're a fan of American carriers, I would. But yeah, this is a great addition to any collection, regardless. Let's get the box up there. Oh, I put it down below. Let me see. Just give me 1 sec. Hold up. Just 1 second. Let's see, it's on the taxiway right there. Oh yeah. So yeah, very cool. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you did enjoy this, make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.